Hey guys, it's Bismoto. Just want to make a quick video real quick, let you guys know what I'm doing. I bought the new Z125 into the house because it's going to be getting cold out here. It's supposed to be hitting the 30s at nighttime, and I want to do a little bit of work to this before next summer. Pulled off the rear fender on the back here, and I'm going to put on the fender eliminator kit where, you know, the blinkers mount back here and all that. Like I said, I like keeping my stock blinkers so that way people see me, and that way if an accident does happen, they can't say I didn't have my blinkers on. So there you go. That's the reason why I do that. Otherwise, I wouldn't mind having flush mounts and stuff like that, but I would rather not have to deal with that if it ever came to the problem of somebody saying they didn't see my blinker. So, but yeah, I got that off. All the parts are sitting right there waiting for me to get the kit for installing it. I should have made a video of taking everything apart, but there's videos online about that right now, so I guess I really didn't have to, but maybe I'll make a video of putting it all back together. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that's what I'm doing. Other things I'm going to be doing is probably rim tape on it, orange. I ordered some little orange accessories for it, the light kit for the LEDs, stuff like that. But yeah, I will be posting that up when I get it done, and I will see you guys in that next video. But anyways, I also got my white Grom clone in here. I'll show you that in a second. The white Grom clone is back here in the kitchen again. I'm just going to be working on this one for like a day or two. I'm probably going to change out these grips because they look kind of nasty and they're worn out. Just going to be freshening things up on it just to make it look clean again and nice. And that's all this thing needs. It doesn't really need any work. I just want to change the grips on it and stuff. It ran really good this year. I didn't ride it as much as I wanted to. This year it was a cold, shitty summer. Let's just put it that way. Every time I wanted to ride, it rained, or it was cold, or I was at work. So it's just the way things worked out for me. I work second shift, so I go to work at I gotta be to work at like 3. So it kind of throws a wrench into things. I can't do things like I want to do just because of that. But yeah, this bike is still in really nice, clean shape. Nothing changed on it. Just the only thing I did change is the chain on it. Got kind of stretched out, kind of weird, and had tight and loose spots on it. So I just said, heck with it, change the chain. It made the bike feel weird, and I was sitting there wondering why that was, and it was because the chain would spin the wheel to get really tight and then get loose, to get really tight and then loose. And I don't mean a little bit tight, I mean extremely tight in one spot and then loose in another spot. So I just decided I'll just change the chain, and that fixed that problem. But yeah, there's really nothing else I want to do to this bike. Like I said, I'm planning on selling it if the guy goes through with it. If he doesn't, no big deal. I'll just keep it. I don't care. I have no problem with that. This bike flies. I mean, it'll do 80 miles an hour, so it's fun. But it's just the exhaust is very loud, and I don't, that's one of the main reasons why I want to kind of get rid of it, is because it is so loud, and I live in a mobile home park, and I just don't like hearing people complain about it, which I haven't yet, but you never know, somebody might start, even though the Harleys rumble through here all the time, but people do complain about those, so, but yeah, the bike's been really good to me. I haven't had a problem with it. Biggest problem I had was the battery went dead on me this summer, and I threw a new one in, so no big deal. So if the guy does buy it, he's getting a new battery this year. But yeah, guys, that's it for now. Like I said, I will get back to you in the next video with the updates on the orange Z125. When I put the rear fender eliminator on, and maybe when I do the rim tape install, maybe I'll show that. That's kind of a pain in the butt, so I don't know if I'd want to videotape that. But yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.